to the video. My name is Ethan, and here we are. And, well, we have been given, just take a look up there. That's a lot of money. For us to go get a few trucks. Really, I did not know I was going to get that much money, but, I'm a millionaire now, so we are going to get Typhoon. Wow. So this video is mainly just going to be me getting trucks, customizing. So I had to sell all my trucks. They said they'd give me a really big deal for all those trucks that I had. These something with yeah, I had to sell them. What? I have well, we might do that too, but so we're gonna just deck out everything. Off-road, suspension, off-road, tires. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh. Oh. We're rank 15. Whatever. Okay. I don't like not being able to have everything. Frame add-on. Oh yeah. Well, sadly, we cannot add this beauty. Oh, rank 4, not that bad. Let's get a loading crane and the flatbed. So that looks great. Rooftop. We have that. Oh, that looks great. Yes. What? Excuse me? Is that ketchup? Yeah, that was ketchup, guys. That was ketchup. Okay, bobbleheads. Halloween pumpkin? Sure. Well, Halloween passed, it's almost Thanksgiving, but whatever. So, truck storage, boom. This thing, KRS Bandit, we have customized this in one of my past videos. But, really, I can't get any mud, poor, off-road, average. Well, this thing ain't gonna be AMH 12. Okay. Snorkel, nope. Wait, we can't even, oh yeah, no snorkel. Alright, sorry guys, it's the same. Front bumper, oh! Yeah. Savior, I want it. Wait! Oh no, Savior gets rid of our heavy duty. Let's get this. I think I'm gonna just do plain black. That's my color. Bobblehead. Boom. I'm just gonna get the exterior stickers. Okay, is there take my hood? Okay. Well, we've got that. Truck store. Alright, we need. I'm a millionaire. And, you know, that's awesome, right, guys? Oh, yeah. We haven't done this vehicle in a long time. We just have the 6x6 of it, so. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, jeez. Guys. Active? No, I'm gonna do this. No. Tires. Mud tires. Doubles. Boom. Offline. Snorkel. Boom. What do we want to get for all of our needs? I think what I'm going to do. Yeah. On bed, boom. Rooftop. Look at that tiny little roof rag. Who's you gonna do roof rag? Front bumper. Boom. Boom. Bobbleheads, beans, that's it. I would just want beans. Okay. We need... Oh, yeah. We need this. Engine, boom, boom. Crawler suspension, base active saw. Let's do crawler because I want to. No. Oh. No. Yes. Yes, please. Boom. Bobbleheads. Beans. Snuffles. He's cute. I want Snuffles. So, guys, what the heck is this? What? Explain. What have you done, Iggy? I love it. I love it, and I want it, so I have it. Yeah, there's a lot of trucks that are not available, so we need a highway. So do I have the Ford Highboy? They give me perms to buy the Highboy. I'm pretty sure they did. Okay, well, let's. Michigan. Okay, alright. Okay, alrighty, okay, alrighty. There's a loud machine going on. Let me go ahead, let me cut real quick so I can get that loud machine out of here. Okay. So, yeah, I got it out of here. But, yeah, so, we are now in an area where we can buy, is that a raptor? That's a raptor. Where we can buy the highboy. So, we're gonna buy this, and that'll be all my needs. More power, baby, or tune Germax? More power, baby. Boom. Winch. Nope. Frame add-on. Bed. Rear bumper. Yes. Hood. Yes. Flatbed. No. Horn bumper. Yes. Boom. Okay. Wait. The first vehicle that we are going to take up is this. Oh my god. Okay, so oh my guys. Do you guys understand this? Let's go here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What should we do? Let's think here. Oh my god! Ah! This thing, let's see how good it. If you could repair my bumper, that would be so kind. But, oh my goodness gracious. Do you understand this massacre? Jeez. Okay, well, just a question, guys. Would you take this over Monster Max? This is just me personally. I would take this over Monster Max. Please don't understand. But this is what I would take over Monster Max, just like because that's just my opinion. But yeah. Let's go this way. Ooh. Let's show task. You sure have been busy lately. Why not take some time out to enjoy the local country? I've marked a couple locations on your map that offer fantastic views. Be sure to check them out. Wait, I've been working on a millionaire. Sure. My truck's too wide. I'm sorry, but my truck's just... it's too wide for this. Alright, take Monster Max up this, guys. Okay, guys. Whoa! Jay! Whoa! Oh no! No, no, no! Come on. No. No! So, guys, let's do a quick one of these. And that was that. Cool. Awesome. Trucks, Highboy, Bandit. This looks fun. Let's take this. So, this is a very good looking truck. Oh, interior. Pumpkin. This is nice. Okay, so it looks like this thing could take a lot of trailers if it had... oh my god, this is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go that same path, but I'm gonna, instead of going up to camp, I'm gonna go straight. Oh god. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's see if she can do it as good. Okay, that's it's good, but well, actually this is great because I just took, that thing had triple wheel setup, so this is such an amazing, oh gosh. Alrighty, ow. Okay, sorry that little cut there, but so again, ooh, let's go down here. Should have took the go. Oh, all-wheel drive. Oh, all-wheel drive's OP in this thing. push. Yeah. Let's just take it for test runs and we'll test. Oh, wow. Jeez, Michigan's big. Ah. Watch my bumper get broke in 5 seconds. Okay. Ah. You're a bumper, not a let my wheels get damaged thing. Okay, that's human error, sorry. Wait, what? How did... Okay. Alright, let's see if this thing can do it. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh! Ah. Jeez. Okay, we're stuck. Remove cargo? What? Cargo? Alright, let's do a quick recover. Alright, let's click on. Do 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 do. Truck storage. Yes. Now that is a beauty right there, and that's also where I'm going to end the vid. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and this was more of a long one, so yeah, but leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.